Hey there. Are you somebody who eats for emotional reasons? I'm Jenny Hale, and I have good news for you. In the Emotional Mastery Program, we get people all the time who are using food as a coping strategy to deal with difficult emotions. It's a pretty easy habit to fall into. But what people find is once they've learned the emotional mastery skills that we teach them, it just becomes a non-issue. There's no longer the urge. They might think about going to the fridge, but there's no pressure behind it. They don't feel forced to do it. They can easily choose not to. If you would like that kind of freedom, then have a look somewhere around this video. There'll be a button. You can book a call with our team and find out exactly how it works.